Hi friends, welcome to Day 71 Daily Current Affairs. Today first news is Covaxin off clinical trial mode. Indigenous vaccine cleared for emergency use amid a surge in COVID-19 cases. India's indigenous COVID-19 vaccine Covaxin from Hyderabad-based Bharat Biotech has been taken off the clinical trial mode and is now authorized for emergency use on a par with Oxford AstraZeneca's Covishield. Niti Ayog's member Health VK Paul said on Thursday. The 60% of new cases from our Maharashtra. Prime Minister to attend first Quad summit today. Access to COVID-19 vaccines, cooperation on technology and climate change are on the top of uh, agenda as Prime Minister Narendra Modi will join President Joseph Biden, Australian PM Scott Morrison and Japanese PM Yoshihide Suga for a virtual summit of the Quadrilateral Framework on Friday, the first time leaders of the Indo-Pacific grouping are meeting. PM's photo removed from the COVID-19 vaccine certificates violates rules in poll-bound regions EC. The health minister on Tuesday informed the election commission that the necessary filters were added to the COVID platform in the four poll-bound states and one union territory, removing Prime Minister Narendra Modi photo from the COVID-19 vaccine certificates in those regions. Stuck in check dam, elephant dies. Chedram had wandered into marshy water, negligence by forest officials alleged. An elephant died in a swampy check dam at Nelipati in Kerala's Palakkad district on Thursday after remaining stuck in the water for hours. The female elephant waded into the marshy water in Potapura check dam near Malanuru estate on Wednesday morning and got stuck. Javadekar meets digital media outlets. Minister holds talks with Digital News Publishers Association over new IT rules. The INB ministry has no data on various news portals with the news rules. They need to furnish some basic information. These rules are only to make it a level playing field since the print media and TV already have regulatory bodies. He is Prakash Javadekar, Information and Broadcasting Minister. After severe criticism over not holding consultations with digital media publishers before bringing in the new IT Rules 2021, Information and Broadcasting Minister Prakash Javadekar held a meeting with members of Digital News Publishers Association on Thursday. India and Japan space agencies review ties. Many collaborations planned. India and Japanese space agencies on Thursday reviewed cooperation in Earth observation, lunar cooperation, and satellite navigation, and also agreed to explore opportunities for cooperation in space situational awareness and professional exchange program. This was agreed during a bilateral meeting between the Indian Space Research Organization and the Japanese Aero Exploration Agency JAXA held virtually. These are today's daily news and current affairs. We'll meet again in tomorrow daily news and current affairs. Thank you very much.